Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. I've got a lot of feedback from you about my previous videos and a lot of you asked me to make special videos about security features of currencies. This theme is really interesting for me too, so let's dive into a specific country. The globe is round, and today we will fly to Israel. As you can see from my app, linked below this video, I have Israeli banknotes from different series. Today, I will discuss security features of the current, third series. This series of new shekels was issued during the years of 2014 to 2017. The first one was 50 new shekels banknote in September 2014. Then, 200 new shekels in December 2015. And lastly 20 and 100 new shekels in November 2017. The dominant color of each denomination is different. Red color on 20 new shekels, green on 51, yellow on 100, and blue on 201. But let's dive into the most interesting part of this video. Let's talk about security features. In one of my previous videos, I've counted all available security features. The total number is 25 different security features. Let's see how much we will find in Israeli currency. I can already tell you that all the denominations have the same features in every banknote. So it's not really matter what banknote we will use for the tests.
Number 1. Design.
Very beautiful banknotes with portraits on one side and colorful pictures on another. Serial numbers, different sizes for each banknote, clear denomination values, all this is included.
Number 2. Watermark.
A transparent portrait, identical to the portrait shown on the banknote obverse, with the denomination next to it, is discernible when the banknote is held up to the light. It is clearly visible from both sides of each banknote. A special case of watermark, so-called white denomination watermark, is also well seen.
Number 3. Microperf.
The banknote is perforated at the middle of the top part with tiny holes forming the banknote's denomination. Hold the banknote up to the light and make sure you notice them.
Number 4. See-through register.
Components of a menorah symbol with 7 branches are printed on either side of the banknote. They combine to form a complete menorah, which is visible when the note is held up to the light.
Number 5. Security thread.
A color security thread is embedded in the banknote, and is revealed in 3 windows on the back of the banknote. It is visible when the note is held up to the light. The thread will change its shade when tilting the banknote. A thread is slightly visible from the front side also.
Number 6. Intaglio printing.
The portrait, the governor's signature, the Hebrew and Gregorian year, text in 3 languages, are printed in intaglio. Touch these details with your finger, on both sides of the banknote, and you can feel the raised ink.
Number 7. Security feature for visually impaired.
Pairs of lines are printed in raised ink on each banknote, and their number increases as the denomination of the banknote grows. The pairs of lines are located in the lower margins on the left and right, and they can be felt with the fingers.
Number 8. Holographic stripe.
A transparent and glittering stripe is incorporated into the banknote vertically, next to the portrait. Tilt the banknote in various directions, and make sure that the menorah, candelabrum, symbol, and the denomination appear and disappear intermittently along the stripe.
Number 9. Optically variable ink.
An artistic reflective element in the shape of an open golden book changes its color from gold to green when the banknote is tilted backward and forward. Simultaneously, a horizontal bar can be seen moving up and down the book. By the way, while you are watching this video, I want to film the next one. Please write to me in the comments below, what banknote set do you want me to review next time? This beautiful Nepal set. Or this amazing Turkmenistan set? I'm waiting for your answers. Let's continue.
Number 10. Microtext.
Unique text and the denomination are included in tiny print, on each banknote in different areas. These letters and numbers can be seen with the aid of a magnifying glass, or, if you are Superman, even by naked eye.
Number 11. The latent image.
The denomination is printed in transparent raised ink, and can be felt with your fingers. The numerals appear and disappear intermittently when tilting the banknote, or when looking at it at eye level.
Number 12. Background printing.
Clearly defined multicolored fine line patterns appear on each side of the banknote.
Number 13. Fluorescent ink.
As always, a most impressive one. Several details appear in the banknote under an ultraviolet light, such as serial number, text, banknote denomination and fiber threads.
Number 14. Infrared properties.
Here is my IR machine. It is so easy to see the appearance changes, with certain elements turning monochrome and others disappearing altogether. In every banknote under infrared light on the front, only particular parts of the banknotes are visible. Same on the backside. So, it seems we are done. 14 amazing security features out of 25 available. Current series is printed on a regular paper, not a polymer one, like a previous 20 new shekels banknote. So a lot of polymer security features are missing here. But there are still some features that could be implemented here, like Urian constellation, 3D image or 3D security ribbon. Maybe in the 4th series in the future we will see them? In conclusion, I want to rate this banknote series from my private point of view. I'll give 4 stars out of 5 because in total these are very impressive colorful banknotes, but, after the previous 20 new shekels polymer one, I hope this series will be also in polymer. Rating summary is very simple, each existing security element gives 1 star. So, the total score is 18 out of 25 stars. I think it's a very secure banknotes and it would be hard to counterfeit. I really ask you to download my app and upload your coin or banknote collection there. My dream is to create a library of all available coins and banknotes. Alone it is impossible, but with your help it could be done. If you want to have this amazing Israeli set in your collection, message me on Instagram, or check my eBay store. Thanks for watching my video, please subscribe to my channel and I'll see you in the next one.